Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another exciting episode of our series. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss: ChatGPT versus human. We'll be exploring the advantages and limitations of AI-powered ChatGPT systems compared to human interactions. So, let's dive right in. To kick things off, let's talk about the advantages of using ChatGPT systems. These AI models have shown remarkable capabilities, so what are some key strengths? Well, one major advantage of ChatGPT is its ability to process vast amounts of information quickly and provide accurate responses. It can access a wide range of data and knowledge, making it an invaluable resource for instant information retrieval. Another advantage is the 24/7 availability of ChatGPT. Unlike humans, these AI systems can be accessed at any time, providing assistance and answering queries promptly, regardless of time zones or work schedules. ChatGPT can be unbiased and neutral in its responses, as it doesn't possess personal opinions or emotions. This can be beneficial in situations where objective information is required. Now, let's shift our focus to human interactions. Humans possess certain qualities that make them unique. What are some advantages that humans bring to the table? Humans excel in emotional intelligence and empathy. They can understand and respond to nuanced emotions, providing comfort, support, and personalized guidance. In situations where emotional connection is crucial, human interactions hold a significant advantage. The human touch certainly adds a personal and relatable element to conversations. Humans also possess intuition, creativity, and critical thinking abilities, which allow for unique problem-solving approaches that may not be readily available to ChatGPT systems. Humans can adapt to complex and dynamic situations. They can understand context, interpret subtle cues, and apply social norms appropriately, which can be challenging for AI systems. So, we've discussed the advantages, but it's essential to acknowledge the limitations as well. What are some challenges faced by ChatGPT systems? One significant limitation is that ChatGPT systems lack true understanding and consciousness. They process information based on patterns and statistical probabilities rather than genuine comprehension. This can sometimes lead to incorrect or nonsensical responses. Language understanding is a complex task that AI models are still working to improve upon. Another limitation is the inability to possess personal experiences and emotions, which are often essential in certain human interactions. ChatGPT systems heavily rely on the data they are trained on. If the training data contains biases or misinformation, it can inadvertently perpetuate or amplify those biases in its responses. That's why constant monitoring, data curation, and ongoing improvements are necessary to address these challenges. In conclusion, ChatGPT systems have undeniable strengths, such as instant access to vast knowledge and 24/7 availability. However, they lack the nuanced understanding, emotional intelligence, and creative problem-solving abilities that humans possess. To truly leverage the power of AI, a balanced approach is essential. Combining the strengths of ChatGPT systems with human interactions can lead to more comprehensive and effective outcomes in various fields. And that wraps up our discussion on ChatGPT versus human, exploring the advantages and limitations. We hope you found this exploration informative and thought-provoking. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode.